All right, so today we're checking out this 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL. Let's get right into it. Sounds pretty good. Let's get right into it. Lovely. I'm loving everything about this. Y'all will see. There's so much to love. Nice open grille. Ton of airflow. Let's take a look underneath. Nice little trim going on here. Nice 18-inch wheels. Side mirrors, your turn signals integrated. Loving that finish also on the door handles. Just like up front. Got a little chrome trim going on down here. This thing is beautiful. I think it's a whole lot more comparing to that. Look at that. Wishing it had double exhaust tips. Let's check out these tail lights. Loving that wraparound look. Alright, let's go take a look at this roof line. Loving these rails. It's all blacked out. All right, let's go check out inside. Nice doors. Soft touch. Loving this little accent trim. Look at that interior. Wow. This looks amazing. I love the colors they chose. These seats are also power. Right, let's go check out that rear seat and see how your passengers will ride. There's your rear door. Nice soft touch material. Drink carrier. Look at the design on that speaker. Nice. Check this out. Sunshade. Nice. You get it on both sides. So that's cool. Only on this side, none on the driver's side. These seats are adjustable. So here we go. They fold right down. This seat is too far back, but they just fold all the way down. You can adjust it to come more forward or lean back, just like how those are leaned back a bit. Now let's go check out the insides. Got two USBs down here. The little pocket. Some AC vents. Let's check out that view from the back. I know y'all want to get to the fun part, so let's go. Now let's go check out the driver's side, but before we go, let's check out this key fob. Pretty nice, light, very light. Let's get right into it. Again, that nice soft touch. They didn't cheap out on this one. Power adjustable seats. There goes your pedals. Santa Fe. Your controls. Also your controls here on this door. Let's go inside. I'm ready. Let's go. Nice close. Look at this thing. Wow. That's the sound you get from the interior. Goes your steering wheel controls. Look at that steering wheel. So your climate controls, two 12 volts, the USB. Two cup holders, electronic park brake. Nice soft armrest. A lot of storage. Let's check out this screen. Pretty responsive. All right. Your lights. Same thing on the driver's side. There goes that panoramic roof. Let's open it up. Wow. That's neat. Just close it up. That goes straight to the back. Now let's go check out the trunk space and the engine. Alright, we'll put this in reverse. Take a look at that backup camera. Got your guided lines. Put it back in the park. Now let's go check out that trunk space. Let's first take a look at our backup camera. Right there. Let's get it in focus. There we go. And you just press right here. Pretty fast. There goes a side view. So you'll have a whole lot of headroom. So a whole lot of storage space. Still got your 12 volts over there. Your speaker system. Here's your jack. Another storage compartment there. And there goes your spare tire up onto here. And to close it, we'll just tap this button and watch it do its thing. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, it's making that beeping noise because I have the keys in my pocket. Alright, as always guys, here goes your engine specs on the screen. Now let's go take a look at it. Pretty nice, plain and simple. Everything seems to be just where you need it. Alright, let's go see how much it is for this thing. It's not on the door. So this one they want $34,455. Is it worth the money? I think so. That's a whole lot of car, man. Alright, if you enjoyed that video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Definitely go test drive this thing and have a look inside and all around it in person, man. It's awesome. As always, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. If you guys want to see something else, just comment it down below and I'll try to go out there and make a video of it for you guys, okay? Thanks for watching. Peace out.